Well, I hope the telemetry data works here. That's what I'm hoping for. See if I don't roll out my driveway. It's a little bit cold out here in the Dakotas, but I seen this cool thing about some cup challenge, so I put some stuff up in there. Think you had that much water, maybe we'll go a little more. My stuff's real. Got to fill the water from the house. As you can see, it's snowy and crappy out here where I live. Bike's warmed up. This sort of sucks. I wouldn't do this any other day with this Trailer Queen, but I like trying things sometimes. So the solo water cup, not to spill it, doing 20. I got the telemetry data on this Moto Jitsu stuff. Let's see if we can do it without dying. Maybe I do 100. Oh, I can't even see. That sort of sucks. It's so close up there on my tank, but woohoo! Oh yeah, I can't. I'm already spilling it. But this is the driveway, man. Oh yeah, look at that chute. That's funny. Of course, I gotta go right in the snow. Blah 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 blah. Come on, baby. Let's get this rolling. My driveway's a little bouncy, but you can see we're getting some. See if I tilt it down some on us. Woo! I can't tell. Can't tell. Yeah, mine's got water from a driveway. I'm not on the concrete yet. We ain't there. Woohoo! It's a nice day. It's like 35. Snow tomorrow. Blurp it. Over to the gas station. Looks like I'm putting on a wind. Dirty, I can burn it out. Burp, 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 burp. Make sure nobody's coming behind me. I don't think nothing's spilling yet. Whoa, almost ate it. Dirty road, winter time. Wind's in my, I can't remember. I think it's going out of the east. That was pretty good to me, man. Yeah, I hope that data's out. Look at it swirling like the wind for me. Let's go, live the ride. Solo cup challenge. I don't know what to do here. Oh, come on, potatoes. Oh, that's a little windy, enough. Ain't the diner. Easy money, man. If it wasn't freaking 40-mile-an-hour winds swirling my stuff up, I think we'd be good. Oh man, I gotta come to a stop. It's gonna work. Mexico, these roads are pretty dangerous, man. If I could jump by some banditos. Banditos, man. Banditos. Trying to get mama to let me get a brand new black and blue 22. See how that rolls. The old girl's here should be the race bike, but I gotta take, if I got a brand new stack, we're getting a brand, gotta get it all hooked up. Woo-hoo-hoo, don't need nothing. Let's try to get this driveway. That's what killed me first. Driveway's bouncy. I can't beat that. Oh. No hands. Stunting. Ugh. Driveway's nasty. My Trailer Queen. My Trailer Queen be dirty. I should be in Bike Week. Bike Week 2022, but I've worked on my schedule. Let's see if we can make it up this driveway without eating it. Whoa. Ah! Yeah, driveway's killing me here. We could do this challenge. Whoa, whoa, she's slippery. Them race dots, they suck. Trailer queened. Well, there you go. We're trying it again when its driveway is better and I'm already out of the road. Like I said, I just want the GPS data. Hopefully the telemetry works. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're all out riding. If you're down to bike week, enjoy, man. Be safe.